Wednesday. How are you doing? For this week's project, I decided to do our first office building, and it could be a bank or an apartment building or some sort of business type building, but I think mine's going to be an apartment simply because I have people and flowers and laundry hanging out of the windows. So it was a very simple project. I had a nice flat box that I'd gotten from Amazon, and I filled it with recycled paper so that it's very heavy, and being heavy helps it to stand up, so that way I didn't have to make a base for the back of it, so it stands up on its own. And I needed my Sharpie, and the first thing I did with the Sharpie was to draw my squares, and I had black paint which I filled in my squares because the Sharpie is not going to last as long for all of your squares as paint will. So I recommend getting some black paint. If you guys need paint, let us know and maybe we can get some to you. So after I finished my box and I let it dry, I cut out little strips of cardboard and glued them on with, I just had a glue stick. So it's very simple. Glue those on, and I left the middle, no, I didn't put glue on the middle because I collected flowers and I just stuck them into the middle of my cardboard. So I had, I don't know if you can see that, so I have my little flower window boxes, and I wanted people looking out of the windows, so I just used some scrap folder paper and drew my people on, cut them out, and I think you can see them. I've got little faces on them. And just for some fun detail, I decided to do some laundry hanging out to dry. So I just basically cut out fabric shapes, or like clothing shapes. So I have a top and a dress and a pair of pants, and I cut those out of napkins. And then I just glued them on at the top so they're hanging out to dry. And there you go. There's my building. And it's a very simple project. Next week, I would like you guys to collect things that we can make a park out of. So if you go outside, collect sticks, and we can do trees, and leaves would be nice. We can glue those to our cardboard. And think of things that would be in a park. There will be playgrounds and maybe a water fountain. Look at all the recycled products that you have in your home. Tops and bottles and all the things that you can think of, and save those, and then next week maybe we can do something fun with those. So have a nice week, and I'll see you on Wednesday.